Hi everyone, welcome back to the math tutor. In today's video, we'll learn about what is a linear congruence in number theory. So if you like the video, please subscribe to this channel and leave a comment. Okay. So first, what is the definition? Okay, what is the definition of linear congruence? Actually, linear congruence is an equation of the form Ax congruence to B modulo M. Okay, where A, B and M are given integer. A, B, M are given integers. And X is the unknown to determine. We'll understand this with an example. Suppose I have an example. I have a question given that solve 3x congruence to 6 modulo M modulo 9. What does this mean? This means 9 divides 3x minus 6. So this is the definition of congruence modulo relation. So this implies that since 9 divides this difference is a multiple of 9. So I can write 3x minus 6 is equals to 9 into some key for some integer key. Okay, so on solving this, 3x equals to 6 plus 9 key, and x will be 2 plus 3 key for some integer key. So what will be the value of key? On putting 1, 2, 3, 4 and continuing in this process, we found that value of x will be 2, then 5, then 8 and so on. So in this way we solve a linear congruence equation. Now I have another question, that is, suppose I have given 4x congruence to 8 modulo 2. 8 modulo 12. This implies that 12 divides 4x minus 8. So we can write 4x minus 8 as a multiple of 12, that is 12 key for some integer key. So here on solving x, for x, that is 4x equals to 8 plus 12 and x equals to 12 key, that is x equals to 2 plus 3 for some key integer. Okay, so this is the solution of this linear congruence. Now I have a question for you. Solve this equation. Solve 5x congruence to 3 modulo 7. Okay, and comment the answer. Okay, so this is all about today's video. If you like the video, please do subscribe to this channel and leave a comment. Thank you.